Hi guys, so I just want to do a quick update about my previous video on recasting Warhammer 40k miniatures, and I wanted to start off by saying thank you so much for everyone who commented, especially as most comments were long and detailed, giving full explanations about recasting and the Chinese situation and everything else, so I really appreciated that, guys. So obviously most of the comments kind of mentioned it's kind of a bit of a grey area, the whole recasting for your own purpose, and you bought the figure so you're recasting something you own. But obviously the bottom line is, it is illegal to recast any of the Games Workshop figures, whether it's to sell or for your own use. So in that respect, I'm not going to be putting the videos back on. I know some of you guys have downloaded it and you can keep it, that's great, as my intention for my videos is to purely be educational and hopefully help other people out. I'm new to this whole hobby scene as well, so I'm sort of learning as I go, but it's been really great getting some of your comments where I've inspired or helped you guys out to do something when it's something I've only just learnt myself, so that's great stuff. I also wanted to point out that I wasn't doing recasts so as not to buy any Games Workshop figures. As you can quite clearly see, I've got quite a few boxes here already, and I only got into this hobby about 5 weeks ago, so I will certainly be spending lots more money at Games Workshop because I think these figures are just absolutely awesome. So I still will be using the Warhammer 40k figures to make dioramas and painting tutorials and any kind of kit bashing. So once again guys, thanks for all those comments on the last video. They were all positive towards me and my channel and the videos that I'm making, so I really do appreciate that kind of feedback, guys. If there is anything you'd like to see on this channel, please let me know below, and I will be getting some non-Games Workshop figures to show more ways of mould making and casting. A great way to show your support, guys, is to become a patron, as this helps me buy the figures and some more moulding and casting materials to make future videos. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, just so you get informed of when my videos come out. If you are able, guys, it'd be great if you could share this on Twitter, your Facebook page or Facebook group, Discord and Reddit, that'd be awesome. Here's another video you can click on to see more of what I do. Okay guys, that's it. Bye for now.